Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to block websites on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes, watch this video till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Settings on iPad on iPhone. Scroll down to open Screen Time. You need to activate it if it is off. Go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on this setting. Here we scroll down, and we should see this interesting setting. We click Content Restrictions. Here we enter the password. And here we scroll down, and here we have Web Content. Click here. Then we can choose here. Or we want to remove it, or we want to put it here. We can also select some sites that we want to block, so that our iPhone can block them. Click Add Website. Let's say, for example, google.com, and click Done. Now, when we go into Safari, we open Google, and look, it comes out. Go back in, turn it off, click Google. Then please see it says that this browser has a restriction and it is blocked. That is, after that, we will not be able to access these sites. You can block and restrict access on your iPhone in this way. Subscribe to the channel, put likes if you liked and helped this video. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.